Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the unsung heroes of the internet, something called DNS. It sounds technical, but don't worry, I'll explain it with a simple, real-world example. Think pizza and phone books. Let's get started. What is DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's basically the internet's version of a phone book. Let me explain. Imagine you want to call your favorite pizza place, let's call it Pizza Palace. You remember the name, but you don't know the phone number. So, what do? You look it up in a phone book or on your phone. That's exactly what DNS does. It takes the name of a website like www.pizzapalace.com and finds the number behind it, which is the IP address, something like 203.0.113.5. Computers don't understand names like google.com, they need numbers, called IP addresses. But we humans aren't great at remembering strings of numbers. So DNS acts as a translator between us and the machines. Instead of typing in a number, we just type a name. And DNS figures out where to send us. Here's a quick look at how it works. Step 1. You type www.google.com into your browser. Step 2. Your computer asks DNS, hey, what's the IP address for this site? Step 3. DNS checks its records or asks other DNS servers if it doesn't know. Step 4. It finds the IP address, something like 142.250.190.4 and sends it back. Step 5. Now your computer knows where to go and loads the website. All of that happens in milliseconds. Recap with example. Let's go back to our pizza analogy to make it crystal clear. Website name. That's like the name of the restaurant, Pizza Palace. IP address. That's the phone number. And DNS. That's the phone book that helps you match one to the other. You don't memorize phone numbers. You remember names. DNS makes the internet that easy to use. So next time you go to a website, remember, there's a system working behind the scenes. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech explainers. Got a question about how the internet works? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.